The long road stretches out, vast with millions of branches. Tires map upon the gravel with the fortitude to try its chances. 1996, in the bustling city of Bareilly. With just 2 trucks, 2 brothers, Mr. Vikas Juneja and Mr. Vivek Juneja, began in earnest the journey of Varuna Group. The nascent company has since grown with an industrious passion into its awe-inspiring stature today. From 2 to a fleet. Starting from Bareilly and now to hubs all over the country. Varuna has defined excellence, with progress made in leaps and bounds over the past 25 years. Learning as they went, Varuna pioneered new service expectations, developed new technologies to consistently deliver a level of excellence infused with their own standards and aspirations. Focusing on key aspects like inventory turn ratio, flexible warehousing, transport management and tracking.
जो हम अभी तक कर पाए थ्रू ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस, हम अपने कस्टमर के लिए वैल्यू क्रिएट कर पाए और अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए वैल्यू क्रिएट कर पाए, वो करते रहना चाहेंगे, उसको और बेहतर करना चाहेंगे। ऑपरेशनल एक्सीलेंस इज अ जर्नी, उसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे उस जर्नी को। और इंडिया की जो लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉस्ट बहुत हाई है, उसको अगर हम कम कर सकें तो वो भी करना चाहेंगे। दैट इज आवर टारगेट फॉर नेक्स्ट 25 years.
Varuna has always emphasized on continuous momentum and achieving excellence at every turn.
हमारे काम में कंसिस्टेंसी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमको यहाँ तक लेके आई है और जो हमको आगे लेके जाएगी। और जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, सबको यही कहना चाहूँगा, कंसिस्टेंसी काम करने की बनाए रखें।
A simple philosophy of honesty, truth, transparency and continuous improvement built from years of experience has elevated the prestige of the logistics sector as a whole. Exploring through a maze of challenges, Varuna had discovered possibilities to always strive for better, paving the road to success on the foundation of consistent excellence. Success that today is reflected in the expanse of Varuna's commitment. In the wake of the current crisis, Varuna Group rose to the opportunity to adapt and innovate, delivering excellent service with brilliantly designed contactless logistics.
Industry is rapidly changing. There is a lot of rapid evolution of customer demand as well as infrastructure supply. So there is a huge opportunity. I see it as a platform in order to be able to deliver something exceptional.
Varuna Group, throughout their glorious journey, has been delivering incomparable experiences to patrons, partners and employees alike on the occasion of their 25th anniversary. Varuna Group extends their heartfelt gratitude. For making the journey happen, for making the journey better, for making the journey